Hello Rocketeers! Martin here, Martin from Rocket. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all happy. You may have seen the other tutorial on how to play TNT on guitar and bass. If you haven't, go and take a look at it now. This is a little quick video to show you how to play the drum pattern. So we're all ready to go at 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock on Friday. We're going to be doing AC/DC's TNT, which will be a great tune because we can play it lots and lots and lots of times. Okay, if you haven't heard the tune before, I suggest you go over to another platform and check it out, TNT by AC/DC. You could go there now and pause this video and go and have a listen to it. Here's a quick face for pausing. Okay, now what we're going to do with the drums is a fairly simple drum beat. So if you can play drums quite well already, you might find this a bit easy, in which case just straight go to our session at 4 o'clock on Friday. For those of you who would like to learn a little bit more about drums, we're going to have a go at this. So the simple rhythm that we need, okay, is just a simple bass drum, which is where my foot kicks, and the snare drum that we have. If you don't have a drum kit at home, that's absolutely fine. Just get yourself a box and a frying pan, okay? And what we want to do is we want to be playing very nicely in time. The important bit for a drummer is to keep in time, and we count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, beat 1, okay, and beat 3 are going to be this bass drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you have that, that's a good start. What we want to do is put the snare drum on beat 2 and beat 4. Okay, so it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now, if you find that quite easy, you might want to introduce the right hand, and this plays the hi-hat. Again, if you don't have a drum kit, that's fine. You know that frying pan that you're hitting? Get the lid. Okay, and this we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way through. Okay, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Oh, yeah. Okay, the other thing that we're going to have to do is where we get to the bridge is we're going to have to whack a crash cymbal. Now, this sounds like this on its own. What we're going to add is the bass drum as well to give it a bit more of a meaty flavour. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is that's when we get to the bit where he goes, ain't gonna start no fight, 'cause I'm TNT, I'm dynamite, TNT, I win the fight, TNT, I'm a power load, TNT, watch me explode. And that's where you hit this one. Now, if you're doing your improvised drum set, I'm not quite sure what you could use for a crash, but you want something nice and noisy. Not the cat, obviously, because that would be just harmful. But what I suggest is you get something nice and crashy. So another tin pan, a biscuit tin would be quite good, I suppose. But anything that makes a sort of crashy, thumpy noise. Okay, so that's what we're going to be trying at 4 o'clock on Friday. Email me if you have any problems and if you have any questions. That's a quick drum video to help you with TNT. Okay, I'll put some drum music on the website as well so you can have a quick look, and I'll see you then. May the Lords of Rock be with you. Ah!